are 5 phases involved in 3D printing. Phase 1, the sourcing phase. Find 3D models that you like. This can be totally free. Once the 3D model is downloaded, you're ready for the next phase. Phase 2, the pre-production phase, preparation before 3D printing. You will need to load your 3D model into the 3D slicer program, work on how the model is being sliced or printed to yield the best quality without much waste. Guess what phase 3 is? That's right, it's the production phase, the most nerve-wracking phase. With the slice model loaded into the 3D printer, with the correct filament, the clean print bed, now you're ready to hit go. When the print is complete, hopefully successfully, in phase 4, post-production phase and quality. Once you have the part cooled off, removed from the print bed, complete part ready to go. Phase 5, there's always cleanup. You need to clean up your own mess. But this way, you will have a clean and ready to print work surface that calls you for more 3D printing. Now, did you know